In today's video I will share healthy recipes. Perfect for a baby model. Hi! My name is Mina. I am 9 months old. Every week, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to become a baby model. Let's start. Recipe number 1. Strawberries plus oatmeal plus breast milk plus a little papaya for good bowels. It's a yummy breakfast. Mommy has 3 easy steps. Number 1. Prepare ingredients. Number 2. Cook. Number 3. Blend. Recipe number 2. Squash plus okra plus ground beef plus rice. It's one of my favorites. My pediatrician said the best portions are 1/2 vegetables or fruit, plus 1/4 carbohydrate, plus 1/4 protein, equals healthy baby. Recipe number 3. Carrots, plus Chinese pad chai, plus chicken, plus rice. Do you have simple recipes I can try? Please share in the comments below. I have 2 baby model videos you can watch next. Click on one of the boxes here. Enjoy and see you again next week.